At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A relationship contract is a written document outlining the agreements, expectations, boundaries, and responsibilities between individuals in a romantic, platonic, familial, or work relationship. It helps openly communicate and define various aspects of the relationship, fostering openness, honesty, and courage. Though not legally binding, it offers clarity for developing a shared vision and encourages agency and thoughtfulness in intimate relationships. This provocative tool establishes guidelines and maintains transparency, covering aspects like finances, household chores, communication, personal space, fidelity, and future goals. It builds trust and respect by acknowledging each other's needs and providing a roadmap for navigating conflicts or misunderstandings. At Carepatron, we have a relationship contract template that you can use at your practice. Here are the steps to use it. Download the template. Download a copy of the relationship contract form using the link in the description. Alternatively, you may access it from our resource library. Dedicate time and energy to filling the form. The discussions facilitated through the document may be difficult or bring up difficult emotions. It is important that everyone feels at ease. It may suit those involved in the relationship to look over the contract beforehand, think over certain aspects for discussion, and fill the document in over a few sessions. Fill in and sign the contract. Once conclusions, expectations, and goals are set, and all parties agree with them, sign the document and ensure everyone has their own copy so they can refer to it in case of any disagreement or dispute. Follow and review. The successful implementation of a relationship contract lies in its ability to be reviewed and adapted to change with the individual circumstances or feelings. Set dates in the future to discuss how the contract is suiting all parties and whether changes need to be made or whether goals aren't being met. Here is a sample of our relationship contract to give you an idea of how you would use it in your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free. Just click on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.